Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using a retiring stamp set. You've got this, and we're going to be making this card today. Let's get started. Okay, so I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and this measures 2.5 by 3 3/4. And then we are using the You've Got This, and this is two stamps when you order. We're going to be using I'm Here For You and the Big Flower. So I have the flower mounted on block E, and I'm just going to take my VERSAMARK ink pad. Actually, I'm going to get my embossing buddy and run that across. And then I also have a strip of Very Vanilla. All right, and then so we're going to get the You Got This, and this is on block D. And then I'm going to come in with my copper embossing powder. Alright, I'm going to funnel this back in. And guys, the You Got This is retiring, so if you want it, you better get it now. And you can click on the link in the YouTube description below. It'll take you right to my online store. Right, so I'm just going to come in with my heat tool, let it warm up a bit. All right, and I have a piece of Pool Party, and this measures 2 3/4 by 4. I'm going to come in with my snail, and I'm just going to run this. And then mount this on the back. Okay, and I have a piece of Petal Garden, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm just going to get my adhesive, put this on the back. And then I have a Pool Party as my card base, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4.25. I'm going to come in with the lace trim. And I think I'm going to make a bow around here. Alright, and I'm just going to put it down like that. Now I'm going to come in with my snail. Alright, and then my Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of this. And then I'm just going to put it in the middle there. And then for this, I'm going to come in with my triple banner punch. And I'm just going to tag some of that off. So just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and pop that up as well. Alright, so there you have it, a card just to let somebody know that you were here for them. Thanks for watching, and remember, just click on my online store and you can pick up all these products. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!